Hi everyone, welcome to the very first live from DLF Can. I'm Grace, this is my colleague.
Hi, I'm Kate.
We are very excited to share our premium foam pad collection with you today. Tell me where you are from. We would love to know where our audience is. Drop country and or flag in comments. DLF Can has become a trusted global supplier of high-quality automotive collision repair and refinish products since 2010. Today, we serve distributors and workshops in over 50 countries, and our foam pad series, carefully developed and manufactured alongside world-class brands. As you can see behind me, we offer a wide variety of foam pads in different sizes, densities, and designs. Soft, medium, hard pads, 4 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, and 9 inches, flat, waffle, bevel, central hole, hook and loop backing. Each pad is made for specific polishing stages, from heavy cutting to ultra-fine finishing. Now, let's dive into the core of today's show, our D-Crystal foam pad collection. These are professional-grade foam pads designed for different polishing stages, from heavy cutting all the way to ultra-glow finishing. We are going to show you our 4 key models, each color-coded by purpose. Let's start from the most aggressive to the finest. Before we go into the individual pads, here's something important you should know. Our D-Crystal foam pads are manufactured using the same material and produced on the same production line as a leading global polishing brand you may probably know. What does that mean for you? You are getting top-tier performance, consistent quality, and professional reliability, but without the premium price tag. This is our blue foam pad, coarse grade. It delivers fast cutting performance while maintaining a surprisingly high level of finishing for its class. It works perfectly with both dual-action machine, random or gear-driven, and also rotary polisher. This pad is ideal for removing heavy oxidation, deep spurs, and sanding marks. If you are a detailing professional, this saves both time and effort. Let us know in the comments. What machine do you usually use? Rotary or DA? And remember, this isn't just a look-alike. The foam density, cell structure, and adhesive backing are all identical to what you find in high-end European brands. But our mission is to give you that same level of performance at a smarter price. Next is the green foam pad, medium grade. This one offers a great balance, medium fast cut with a premium finish. It's specially optimized for dual-action random orbital mat machines and works best when paired with combines of moderate viscosity. If you are doing one-step correction jobs, this pad is your go-to. The foam density and cell structure are engineered to hold just the right amount of combines for a smooth and controlled bath. Now, we have our yellow pad, fine grade. This one is ideal for light defect removal and achieving a deep, glossy finish. It's very versatile. You can use it on dual-action machine, both random or gear-driven, as a rotary polisher. Many of our customers love this pad for their final polishing step before wax or sealant. If you are polishing darker paints, this yellow pad can really help bring out the depth and shine. And finally, the white foam pad, ultra grade, ultra fine grade. This one is made for professionals. If you want a showroom or a concurrent level finish, this is the pad to use. It's best suited for ultra soft paint correction, drawing, or final finishing steps on dark colors. It works with dual action random orbital or rotary machine, perfect when precision matters. So, whether you are a workshop owner or a distributor, if you worked with premium foam pads before, you will instantly recognize the quality here. Contact us for a full technical sheet and we'll let the performance speak for itself. Now, we can see the double-sided foam pads with the quick connection. And this is the double-sided foam pad with 5/8 thread. You can choose what you like. Let's move on to something a bit different. For those who use handheld drills or rotary polisher, this one for you. This is our waffle foam pad with backing plates. See it already with the backing plate attached. Designed for fast mounting to drill machines or polishers. Available in 5/8 thread. We offer these pads in 3 colors, each for a different polishing stage. Yellow for cutting, used for initial cutting or oxidation removal. Orange for compounding, gray for medium polishing and spur correction. Black for finishing. Designed for soft finishing, waxing, or sealing to give you paint that final mirror-like glow. The foam itself is dense but flexible, giving excellent contour control. The weight surface helps reduce heat buildup during use, ensuring a smoother and safer polishing experience, even for beginners. You can use this pad with a standard hand drill, a DA polisher, or any rotary tool with compatible threads. It's an all-in-one polishing solution. Just plug it in and go. Whether you are applying combined polish or wax, this pad covers it all. This is one of our most versatile pads, especially popular for DIY users, small detailing shops, and mobile polishing teams. Just like our previous pads series, these polishing pads are also manufactured using the same raw materials and processing the standard as global premium brands. Give you pro-level results with outstanding value. Thank you so much for watching our first live show. I hope it will help you to learn more about our foam pad collections. And if you are interested in a quote sample pack, please don't forget to message us on Facebook. And don't forget to follow us. We are going to introduce our DLF clay bar next live. See you next time. Bye bye.